All right, class.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. All right, Esther. What? What?
I don't know, just the way I said yes sounded weird.
You sound weird when you say yes.
No.
Yes.
Can we
Yes.
start over? Can we start over?
Okay, let's start over again. Class.
Yes.
Okay. Is that better?
Yeah,
That was better? Okay. All right. Now, we're going to go through this and actually look at this. We're probably going to get most of this first page done. Then I'm going to stop right there. We're going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. Wait, do I see you tomorrow? I see you Wednesday. Okay, you guys are taking your test on Friday. Friday's a half day. And I will put up the schedule here in a moment so you can see what the schedule is going to be for that. It's like 70-minute classes, I think, something like that. But yeah, we're done by noon. All right, so let's take a look at this. So regression. So what type of R value do you think this first one's going to be? Is it a good R value or a bad R value? Looks bad, right? Does it look like there's dots in the shape of a line? No. So the dots are every which way. So is this one right here is going to be close to 0, isn't it? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, so it's going to be close to 0. So I'm just going to say R equals 0 because it's just every which way. And so the correlation there is none. Okay, there's no correlation there. On the second one, does it look like the dots are going in a pattern or forming a line, kind of? Yeah, kind of. So it looks like something like this, right? So I could draw a line there and the dots are kind of following that, right? So what would you say for the R value on that? Negative, very good, because it's going down. But then what do you think the percent would be?
I put 60, but I think it's
60? Negative 50, negative 60, that's fine. That's fine, I'll accept that. So it looks like it is stronger than 50. So let's say R equals negative 0.60. So it's an estimation. It's an estimation, yes, and this one looks like it's going to be a linear correlation.
So I'll do that, so we're going to have to put 0 point on plus.
Maybe.
It's a yes or no question, so.
Do what?
It's a yes or no question. Yes or no.
I haven't looked at the actual test yet.
Is it going to be multiple choice, or are we going to have to write it in?
Yes.
Or both? Say
A little of both.
Okay.
All right. I'm sorry, my kids are getting kicked out of school, so they're like,
Really?
yeah, COVID thing again. I know, even though my son's been gone 17 days for this already. 17 school days. Yeah, so, yeah. Struggle is real here. So I'm probably going to have to leave here in a minute. Anyway, let's look at this third one. Yeah, I blame you. I blame Ashley. Ashley's fault. Does this one right here, this third one, does it look like it's forming a line?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to kind of trace the line through there. So what type of R value do you think that is?
Positive 8.
Positive 8? Positive 0.8? Okay, that'll work. R equals 0.8. Because it's better than this one here, right? It's better than this, but worse than that. Wait, no.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
It's better than this one. Better than the second one, right? Okay. Okay. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. So is this one linear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. So we got linear there. Now, this one right here is super wordy. Super wordy, and a lot of people forgot what they were supposed to be doing. They forgot what they were supposed to be doing by the time they got to the end of reading all this. Okay? Usually when there's more than 5 words in a math problem, people zone out by the 4th word. Okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's the abbreviation for it. High values and the total number of points scored in the Super Bowl were recorded for 21 different years. Excel was used to find the value of the linear correlation coefficient, negative 0.133. Is there linear correlation between Dow Jones Industrial Average, high, and Super Bowl points? Look at that R value. Is that a good R value? No, it's close to 0, isn't it? It's negative 0.13. So as a percent, that would be 13%, right? Is that a good number? No. It's not a good number. So is there correlation? No. No correlation. Okay, R value. Correlation, kind of like that. C-O-R-R-E. Got an E in here. L-A-T-I-O-N. There we go. All right. All right, let's take a look at this next one. Here's another wordy one. So, a clinical study is conducted to investigate the effectiveness of the drug Denzel for treating insomnia. It was found that there is a correlation between the amount of Denzel taken and the length of sleep. Based on the statistical analysis, can we conclude that Denzel is the cause of sleep? Why or why not? So, yes or no? Yes, why?
Because it says it has correlation.
It says there is correlation. There is correlation. Yes, correlation. What?
That's stupid, because the correlation could be the same thing like
No. It gave us this linear correlation of this right here. So it says it found that there is a correlation. So there is, so when it says it in words like this, that there is a correlation, it says that it's going to be good. We could say that this is not a correlation. Given this number on question 2, that's not a correlation. I would not say that has correlation because the R value is a bad R value. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one says yes, there is. So we're going to just say yes. So, basic word problem here. All right. Questions over that?
So no paragraphs, no nothing.
Hopefully not. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't looked at the test yet. So, the test actually has a bunch of stuff where you have to like match R values. So, if R you kind of like what we had on the top, you're going to say good R values, bad R values, and 0.
Oh.
Like positive and negatives and stuff like that.
When I heard match, I was thinking of you know those lines. We had to like match the things. We draw a line to match 'em.
Okay, it's going to be like a multiple choice, and it's going to say, so you're going to have these three answers here. You're going to have answer A is 0.0, answer B is negative 0.06, and this is 0.08. And then you're going to have to put it with each one. So would you be able to identify it from this? There's only one that's a negative, right? This one's a negative, so therefore that has to go with that answer, right? This one's a positive here, right? And that one's a scattered mess, right? That's the basic. Super easy.
Yeah.
And if you take good notes, okay, then you could also use your notes. I highly recommend using notes. All right, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and buy the merch. Follow me at the merch store, and if I get 5,000 views and purchases, I will do a face reveal.